Video.
It's in a documentary.
You like the dog, eh?
Yeah. He was really enjoying his time here. Oh, Fluffy.
You're Martina from Uruguay.
Yeah, I'm Martina from Uruguay, and this is Mason.
And you're on Croagh Patrick, eh?
Yeah,
First time, eh?
Yep.
Find it tough?
The way up, yeah, it's really tough, and now it's a little bit slidey, but it's alright.
Is it dangerous, you think?
No.
Not too bad. You're confident, you're confident. You get back to Uruguay, alright.